Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for Dawn. Dawn, thank you for being a patron again this month. I'm going to use an older sticker book. I believe this came out last year. It is Fall Harvest and it's a really pretty sticker book. So I wanted to pull this one out and use it again because I still have some good stickers in here to use that I feel like can make a really nice spread for Dawn. I also have KellofaPlan's planner pages, so the vertical layout. That is the planner that she uses, so I'm going to use those. Also, I think Neutral Basics from KellofaPlan as well, because she's got some really nice boxes in here that I think will pair well with what I need. I think, yeah, looks like it will. I just probably might have used, actually, okay, this is nice. So I already started pulling stickers, and this looks like this, so perfect. So I'm going to pull this one and put this on the sidebar for now. On the side. I love Heather's Neutral Basics sticker book because she just has such a good range of neutral tones in here. So yeah, I have that. Whenever I'm looking for like neutrals, that one's been a good one to pull. All right, and then as you can see, I pulled a bunch of stickers to start this spread. Let's see, do I want to put that there? Or within this spread? I think within this spread. I could do like florals. I never do things up here. I need to start doing that more. Like decor up here. Okay, I think that looks good there. Let's see. This nice box here. It's already got layered florals on it, which is perfect. I think here is good. Got a green box to layer here. I also have checklists. Oh, I like this little book. Checklist. I feel like a checklist is needed on the weekend. Okay. And I have this comfy and cozy sticker. Actually, I think I should. Let me change this up a little bit. I'm ready for all the comfy cozy vibes this for fall. By October we should be there. So that's exciting. I have an important sticker. I think I'm gonna put this here for the weekend or the sidebar. Okay. Cute. And then I have more florals, boxes. Oh no. Smaller boxes. You know what? I'm gonna move this one to here. I'm gonna do this one here. And it's like a dog barking. Okay, I have to have florals or something decorative over here. Oh, you know what? Let me go back to the book, 'cause I don't think I grabbed some like corner pieces that might work. I have some of these like corner ones. Oh, and then I have these like little pieces that can come out. Kind of add on to this cluster a little bit, make it look a little fuller over there. Okay, I don't want to add too much over here because I want to make sure she has enough space to write in, so that's probably enough there. Let's add in some more leaves in here. Okay. Oh, I know, I'll do a little header. Important. And then it has, she can do like a list there. I think that works. I think that looks pretty. Yeah, that looks pretty. All right, and then I have this. I really like this big box here. So I'll have to do some layering with it. Let's see if these two layer nicely. Yeah, okay. So this one, I'm gonna put a little bit lower, so down here. So this can be like a Monday, Tuesday box. Wait, not that low. I think that should be good. Yeah. And then this one here. I have this. Let's put it on the side. Okay. Ooh, I really like this comfy, cozy little cluster. It might go there. It might go there. We shall see if it stays there. Okay, I also have this box, or it's like a rounded box. So let me see, I'll put this. I need a green box. Oh, actually, let me go into Heather's book, because she's got that like greenish box in here. Okay, so I can grab one of these, layer these together. I should do okay, that works. I like that better. The little pie. I don't know if I should add the pie though. Although, like, I do only eat pies during fall, I feel, right? Yeah, like Thanksgiving. I don't think I ever get pies, and I really like pies, but I don't think I ever, yeah, it's so funny because, like, at work, we do get pies. Sometimes, well, we have, at work, they get us pastries, and sometimes they have pies, but I never eat them. I don't know why, like during the year it doesn't really sound very appetizing, but during the fall, definitely something I like to eat. I don't know if anybody else is that way. I don't mind eating cakes and all that kind of stuff throughout the year, but pies, yeah, I tend to leave that for fall. Okay, I'm trying to find more of that dark green boxes. Just plain. I have this today's plans. More dark green. Okay, perfect. Here we go. Definitely all the fall vibes, so I like that. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the florals though. And, oh, I have these. Oh, there's little pumpkins. I should have pumpkins. That's definitely fall. Okay. Oops, sorry, kind of noisy. Add some florals. Okay, let me see about these little cute little pumpkins, because I can definitely sprinkle some of these around. There's some little white ones. Yeah, that's cute. Let's see, I'll put one here. And I really like these little pieces too, just to add, again, to build it up a little bit more too. Okay, this one's cute. Pretty. Okay, what else, what else? Okay, I need something here because it's obviously like very empty. I did pick this one, but it's too green. I don't want green and green next to each other, so I'll have to find something else. I have this one, and there's brown. I think that's the only one though, because I don't have, oh, I have this one, Fall in Love with Today. It's cute. So I meant to use this before, but apparently I didn't, so we'll just use this one here. Okay, I think that works. Let me see what other little decorative pieces I can add, because I like the pumpkin, but oh, look at these little pumpkins. It's a whole thing of pumpkins. It's kind of big though. I think it's too big. Okay, can't add it in, it's too big. All right, so let's see what else I got. I got like all the comfy, I haven't used anything from this sheet. I do like the little, well, I already have it here, like the little slippers that look like a fox. Those are super cute. We can add some boots. I just feel like it kind of looks a little random if I do that. Okay, that's why I like the pre-made clusters, because that one was super cute. To put that one down. Maybe I'll add another floral thing over here. Let's see. You know what? I think I'm just gonna add bullet points. I think, yeah, just to get more function on Friday. I think that's a better idea. Let's see, okay, I have these. I'll use these little tiny little baby bullet points because they're super cute. And then it helps to tie in the foil that I added on that one. So I think that works. I love the size of these. These are like super tiny. I'm gonna add a few of these. Okay, I'll do 3. I'll do a couple over here. And cute. What? I think I can add another pumpkin. Go back to the pumpkins. I have an orange pumpkin here. Maybe okay. Okay, I think that's it. I don't want to add washi because I feel like washi is just going to be too much because I have so much floral going on. I think I'm good. Yeah. All right, that is going to be my spread for Dawn. I used the Fall Harvest and Neutral Basics sticker books. Thank you, Dawn, again for being a patron again this month. I hope you like your spread, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this plan with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.